Hiki ane yaʻoe ke ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi.
No hea mai ʻoe.
No Hawaiʻi mai iau. ʻAha Pūnana Leo introduces self-directed online Hawaiian language classes via the Niuolahiki distance learning program. These classes are self-paced, convenient, affordable, and based on the textbook Na Kai Evalu, written by Dr. William H. Wilson and Kauanoe Kamana of Kahakaʻula o Keʻelikolani College of Hawaiian Language. Each class includes a vocabulary list, short conversational phrases, short dialogue for two people, new grammatical concepts, practice exercises, review assignments, and access to discussion forums with Hawaiian language speakers.
Now choose the word that best describes what you hear. Pea. Pea.
You can register at any time. The culturally rooted Niuolahiki distance learning program takes learners from all over the world on a journey of Hawaiian language learning. To register, visit us at www.ahapunanaleo.org. Your participation in these classes contributes to the efforts to revitalize Hawaiian as a daily spoken language. He ola ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi.